Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now let's solve this. Now in this equation, we divide all these three terms by 9 power x. That means we have 4 power x divided by 9x plus, now that simply means we cancel these two terms. Now we have 4, which is square of 2, and this 9, which is square of 3. And these 6 and 9 can be cancelled by 3. That means we can write here, this is 2 square and this is 3 square. Now, because they have the common exponent, which is 3. So this is common exponent. So we can write as the common exponent. Same here, we have common exponent here, and these two are divided by 3. That means 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. And common exponent, we can write x here. This is remainder 1. Again, now we have square for the both term. So this is 3 square and this is 3 square. That means we simply can write 2 over 3, which is now 2x, and plus 2 over 3, the power is x equals to 1. So now let's assume y is equals to 2 over 3 x. Now that simply means we can write here y square plus y is equals to 1. It is because now the value of y is equals to 2 over 3 x. And because this is a square, so the value of this is equals to y square. And now we can also say here the value of y is greater than 0. And the reason is we have inside here, which is 2 over 3, and 2 over 3 is something like 0.6667, which is positive. Since this value is positive, and for any exponent, if this is positive, then y is greater than 0. So that means y square plus y minus 1. It is subtract 1 from both sides. So we have this value. Now we can compare this equation with the ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Right? So these two are quadratic equation. For this equation, we can find the value of x, which is equals to minus b, and then plus minus square root, then b square minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Now, if you compare these two equations, the coefficient of x square is a. Now here, coefficient of y square is 1. That means this is a value of a. Here, the coefficient of x is b. Now here, the coefficient of y is also 1. So this is a value of the b, which is 1. Now here, the c means minus 1. So from here, the value of a is 1, the value of b is 1, and c is minus 1. Now what we can do is, now instead of this x, we can write here y. And the value of b is 1, so minus 1 plus minus. The b square means square of 1 minus 4. Again, the value of a is 1, the value of c is minus 1. So we can write here, now which is divided by 2a, a is 1. So now this is y square is equals to minus 1 plus minus. So root under 1 minus. Now since we have two negative values, minus 4 and minus 1. So these two negative value multiplies and that is positive. So this is now plus thus 4. whole divided by 2. Now from here, y is equals to minus 1 plus minus root under 5 and divided by 2. Now, since the value of y is greater than 0, right, then we can just take positive value. Take just positive sign, then y is equals to minus 1 plus root under 5 is divided by 2. Again, this is the value of the y, which is greater than 0. That's why from these two, positive and negative, we just take the positive sign. And because of this relation. Now, this simply means the value of the y from above is 2 over 3 whole power x. Now, you can write this root under 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now, to solve this, we use the help of log. So, if you take log, then this is the exponent x, then write log 2 over 3 is equals to log minus 1 divided by 2. So that simply means the value of x is equals to, so this log, which is root under 5 minus 1 divided by 2, this whole is divided by log 2 over 3. So if you find the value of x in number, so that will be a little bit 1.19. So approximately this is the value of x. So if you have any confusion, please go through the process and you can write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching video. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.